Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are okay. I'm sitting with this beautiful bridge behind me because we're gonna talk about it. I'm staying on the Bahia Honda State Park. This is part of the historical and entertainment piece of history that we're showing here in the park. This amazing idea was created by a great person. His name was Henry Morrison Flagler. He paid every penny that it cost to build this bridge connecting Miami to Key West, or Cayo Hueso, the way we say in Spanish. More than 4,000 employees was hired to do this thing. Some of them ex-military, and they was getting paid $1.50 a day plus expenses, everything included, place to live, transportation, food, etc., to build this magnificent piece of road, if you can say it. Believe it or not, this bridge, it was a brilliant idea. But Mr. Flagler had the money to pay for it, thanks to God, because if he didn't have the money, I don't think it would happen. But you know what? Anyhow, Mr. Flagler, thank you for everything you did, because today we can consider it as part of the history of the United States of America. When your dream comes true, happens here. Guys, we are on the 7 Mile Bridge standpoint, right there. From here to the end, 7 miles over the water, without touching anything, any cay, any island, anything, just over the water. So, are you ready? Let's go. Guys, we're driving over the 7 Miles Bridge. Yes, here's the map. 7 Mile Bridge. Over there is a little island over there, and that's the road, and that is the old bridge. That's the old bridge built by Henry Flagler. This is 7 Mile Bridge. Hey guys, I'm in Marathon Island, okay, Marathon. Maybe because this island is too big. It's really too big. It was the headquarters for Mr. Flagler's operations. Yeah, when he built the train from Miami all the way to Key West, Marathon was the island he chose to be the headquarters of the operation. Here we are on the island or the Cay Marathon. Marathon, heart of the Keys, el corazón de los Cayos de la Florida. Aquí, Overseas Railway Construction Headquarters. Aquí estaba el headquarter, o sea, el centro de operaciones para la línea del tren del señor Flagler. Hi guys, I'm still in the Florida Keys. I'm here in this restaurant, Florida Keys Steak and Lobster House. This is in the mile 36. You will see it on the right side if you're coming from Miami. It's a blue building, paint with like you are under the water with fish, corals, etc. So they have an early bird until 5:30 for $20. You get mahi mahi with one side. I asked for mahi mahi blackened it with a baked potato with everything on it, and it comes with a salad, which is I asked for Caesar salad. And at the end, you get dessert. Choose between key lime pie or flan. So I haven't decided yet. And I'm asking for the local beer that I tried over here on the festival. Look at this, guys. Smell out, special release. Tijuana Bay. This is great. We want to try? Maybe we get a little drunk? Why not? Thank you very much. This is great. You see, the bonfire. Salud, 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 salud.
Bosque, Viajero.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Remember 2 shows or 3 shows back. Okay, so I'm ready. Oh, right now it's like 4:30. Early bird. So let's see what happens. What was the name of this?
Iguana Bay.
Iguana Bay.
Yes.
You see, Iguana Bay. That's what we want.
There you go.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Mantequilla en bolitas. Well, let's try the Iguana Bay first. Vamos a tomar primero la cerveza de iguana. A ver qué sabe. Que es la misma que yo probé el otro día. Ay, qué rico huele. Uy, qué rico huele. Oh, yes. Salud. Iguana, buenísimo. Ensalada suiza. ¿Está bueno? Yo no sé si le he mencionado anteriormente que a mí los croutons no me gustan. Desde chiquitito. No me gusta. Soy yo personalmente. No me gusta. ¿Quieren que le diga algo? Se olvidaron de mi imagen. Ya, se olvidaron. Increíble. Ya, se olvidaron. No sé qué decir. Bueno. Son las 5 de la tarde, mira, no es mentira mía. Oh, bueno. Yo creo que deben estar pescando pescado. No, hay más en todas partes. Si hubiera pedido una langosta de Alaska, bueno. O de Boston Lobster, bueno. $33 minutes waiting for my mahi. I've been here for 33 minutes waiting for my mahi mahi. I didn't ask for a lobster, Boston lobster. I asked for a mahi mahi. We are surrounded by water. We have mahi mahi everywhere. I think it's still fishing the mahi mahi. Well, you wake me up, okay? Bye. Oh. This is a dirty fork. Look at this. There's a letter there. Piece of the left. Yuck. Here comes my fish. Can you give me, excuse me?
She'll come and check on you.
Okay. Doesn't give a shit. Bueno, señores, aquí llegó la comida. Falta la crema blanca, supuesto estar aquí. Este es el maji. Aquí verán. Papa, limón. Esto es la crema de pescado. Pero falta la crema blanca, sour cream, que va con la papa. Good appetit.
There you go.
See, guys, it's beautiful. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Give me
You're
the
very
bill.
welcome.
Bring me the bill. Here, guys. This is a flag. Look. Oh. This is a fruit flag. Boy. Let me clean this. Oh, I think they have a problem here with cleaning the strawberry. Oh yeah, beautiful. This is great. This is wonderful. This is closing my show today with this dessert, delicious, in the dark. Wow. From paradise.